There are some important steps to take to avoid hacking. 1. Use strong passwords. Use different and complex passwords for each account. Use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special symbols in passwords. 2. Two-step verification, 2FA. Where possible, turn on two-step verification. This increases the security of your account. 3. Update software regularly. Update your operating system, antivirus, and other software regularly to keep security gaps closed. 4. Avoid phishing emails. Avoid clicking on unknown emails or links. Always make sure the site you are visiting is legitimate. 5. Use antivirus software. Scan regularly using a good antivirus software. 6. Limit use of public Wi-Fi. Be careful and use VPN when using public Wi-Fi. 7. Keep backup. Take regular backup of important data. It keeps you safe in case of data loss. 8. Check social media settings. Avoid sharing unnecessary information by checking the privacy settings of your social media profiles. 9. Stay aware. Be aware of hacking and learn about the latest security updates. By following these steps, you can be highly protected from hacking.